you guys today and some really exciting news. My fiance and I just bought a waterfront house in Florida and we are about to start the whole renovation process. Today I have something really exciting. We are getting our couch delivered and I found the perfect exact cloud couch dupe. It is so amazing. I have it in my other house and I know a lot of you have seen my cloud couch dupe YouTube video. So we are actually going with Gorelli Furniture again and we are ordering another couch from them. They are going to deliver it right to our house today. They set it up and everything. It's a super easy process and we picked out the 6-piece modular sofa. I'm not sure how we're gonna arrange it yet. You can do like long ways, like an L shape, you can do a U shape, you can use it as an ottoman. So we're gonna kind of play around with this space and see what looks the best. But the thing that I really love about it the most is that it's completely washable. So I'm very excited for that, especially with a coastal home where people are gonna be like in and out of the pool and hanging out. It tends to get a little dirty, so we can wash it. And I'm going to put it against this wall right now. But eventually we're actually gonna knock down a lot of walls in this house and we're going to flip it the other direction. We're gonna have an island, a table looking out towards the pool and the water. But for now, we're just gonna place it right here so it looks nice for you guys so I can show you the cloud couch and all of the details about it. Guys, I am so excited about this couch. Gorelli just delivered this with white glove delivery service, and I swear to you, it took literally like 20 minutes. They unboxed it, we rearranged it a couple times, and it looks incredible. So for this couch, we decided to go with the 6-piece modular couch. I love the modular cloud couches because you can arrange them however you want. If you're somebody who rearranges their furniture a lot and you like to switch up your space, this is a perfect couch for you. We ended up arranging it in a U shape currently, and we may switch to an L shape because when we actually renovate our home, we are going to flip this couch to the other direction. The TV is gonna go on this back wall here, and we're gonna have an open concept with a kitchen and an island. So stay tuned for the updates and all of that. But for right now, I just wanna talk to you guys about the cloud couch, and this is my honest, thorough review. So if you've been on my channel before, you have seen my cloud couch dupe video. This is actually the same brand. This is by Gorelli Furniture. The other cloud couch I got for my townhome is a 4-piece modular, and I love that couch. It is still there. I've had it for 2 years and it has held up incredible. The great thing about these couches is that the cushions are reversible and they're also washable and replaceable. So God forbid you rip one for some reason, which mine has held up for 2 years, and I've had dogs, cats, people over, nothing has happened. They still look great. You can replace them, but you can also wash them. They unzip and you can just put them right in the wash. So from my other video, I have more of that like buccal texture fabric. For this couch, we ended up going with the linen performance fabric. We're going to do this house very coastal and beachy. We're on the water and we are walking distance from the beach. So we wanted it to be very light and airy. The other one, the buccal texture, I love for my house because it's more of that like cozy, soft, minimal vibe. This one we're going for a little bit more coastal, so I went with the linen performance and I love it. It feels super durable and it just bright, white, and just so cozy. One of the pros to ordering from Gorelli Furniture is that they have the white glove delivery, and it was so easy. Their customer service is incredible. They were texting me updates, their ETA, they were right on time, and they're just so kind and easy to work with, which is why I'm working with them for a second time. So let's talk about pricing. We know that cloud couches are super expensive, and there's a reason everybody's so crazy about them. I was searching endlessly for my first cloud couch, and I researched online for hours and hours. Actually, not even hours, like literally weeks. I was researching to find the perfect cloud couch dupe, and I came across Gorelli Furniture. Someone actually like left a review on Facebook Marketplace, and then I found their website and was like, oh my gosh, they're literally in South Florida. But they do ship to other places as well, so don't count yourself out for that. I ended up finding them, and just I'm so in love with the cloud couch I've had for the past 2 years that I went with them again, and the price is seriously unmatched. You will not find a better couch at a better price. For the RH cloud couches, for something like this, it ranges from about $8,000 to $11,000. This 6-piece modular sectional is about $4,000 depending which kind you get. We ended up getting the modular section with one ottoman, and then you have some of the endless armchairs. So it kind of depends like which one you get. For the 4-piece sectional, I have all of that information on that video, but that one is about $29.50, I believe, which is an extremely good price, especially for the quality of the couch compared to the RH or other cloud couch options. Honestly, I have to say, I do go to RH in Palm Beach and I work there a lot, and I actually really like this couch a lot better. It's just like a little bit thicker and more fluffier. I feel like that one's like a little bit flat. And also it's a little bit wrinkly. This one like has some wrinkles on it just because it was just delivered, so it was like sealed really tight, just to keep it really nice. So literally after about like a day, it kind of like the wrinkles all come out and it's like nice and puffy and fluffy. It's just the most inviting, comfiest couch ever. And in my townhouse, every single time someone walks through the door, the first thing they say is, oh my God, where did you get your couch? It is the best. And I will never stop raving about it, and I will have this couch in every home ever. I'm going to link to this video my first cloud couch review from Gorelli Furniture for the 4-piece modular, and I'm also going to link this exact couch down below, so please use my link if you decide to purchase a cloud couch. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask down below and I'll do my best to answer. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!